This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Clay Mittman. Beautifully restored Palmer Township Cape. Every aspect of this home has been meticulously maintained. Attractive open concept floor plan. Kitchen offers granite countertops, sherry cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. The floor plan is ideal for family and entertaining. First floor offers a large bedroom, and adjoining office/bedroom. This room opens onto the fantastic exterior space with a 12 by 24 deck and pergola, and outdoor entertainment center. Designed with an exterior television that would remain with the home. Lower level offers great family room entertainment space along with wet bar, ideal for family gatherings. Easy access out to the backyard and fire pit complements the space. 2 large bedrooms on the second floor with spacious closets. Updates include furnace 2016, air conditioner 2018, 1-year-old black aluminum fencing, new water heater 2021, major landscaping, and a deck/pergola project that cost over $30,000. 1-car garage and paved driveway. For more information,